Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the watch and making sure iPhone is ready. The why is simple. Pairing needs active Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once the watch shows the Apple logo, press and hold the side button to begin. Make sure airplane mode is off on both devices, and sign into iCloud if prompted to enable backups and health syncing. You'll see an animation on the watch. Hold your iPhone camera over it to speed up pairing. This reduces manual entry and avoids errors. You'll now walk through configuration screens. This is where choices matter. When prompted, enable cellular only if your plan supports it. This lets calls and messages work away from your phone. Set a passcode to protect health data and enable wrist detection for accurate workouts. Choose to restore from a recent backup if you want apps and settings back immediately. Otherwise, select a fresh start to avoid legacy clutter. Make sure Apple Pay and emergency contact. You finish by installing any watch OS updates and letting the watch sync apps and health data. This can take 10-30 minutes. Once synced, personalize complications and notification settings in the watch app so your most important info appears at a glance. Make sure Do Not Disturb and Focus modes are configured to avoid missed alerts. If pairing fails, restart both devices, toggle Bluetooth, and try pairing again. Often a quick reboot fixes transient connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.